Standard 5 Term 2. Welcome friends, today we are going to see about continents of the world. Introduction. Earth is our home. The total land on the earth is formed of 7 continents of various sizes. Each continent has a different number of countries. The 7 continents of the world are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. This is the image of the world map. Now let us see about Asia. Asia is the world's largest continent in size and population. The world's two most populous countries, China and India, are in Asia. Asia is the highest point on earth, the peak of Mount Everest, which is in the Himalayas. Asia is the birth of great ancient civilization, Indus civilization, Chinese civilization and Mesopotamian civilization. The image shows the Himalayas and the Great Wall of China. Some other countries in Asian continent are Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Pakistan, Maldives, Philippines, Afghanistan, Thailand and Indonesia. India is our country. India is known as the land of unity in diversity, as people from different religions, languages, cultures live united. India has 27 states and 7 union territories. New Delhi is the capital of India. India has several historical monuments. Taj Mahal is one such monument. It is situated in Agra on the banks of River Yamuna. Taj Mahal is built completely using white marble stones. This most beautiful monument is recognized as one of the 7 wonders of the world. This is the image of the Taj Mahal. Gangaikonda, Cholapuram. And next is the St. George Fort. This image shows the detail of India. First image shows the gateway of India. Second picture shows the India Gate. Third picture shows the Sanchi Stupa, gateway of India in Mumbai. India Gate in Delhi. Sanchi Stupa near Bhopal. Friends, now let us see about Africa. Africa is the second largest continent of the world, of the 7 continents of the world. The world's longest river, the Nile, and the world's largest desert, the Sahara, both are home in Africa. More than 50% of the world's gold and diamonds come from the mineral-rich continent of Africa. This image shows the Sahara and the Nile River. Some countries in Africa continent are Sudan, Libya, Egypt, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Ethiopia and Guinea. Now let us see about North America. North America is entirely within the northern hemisphere. North America is the 3rd largest continent by area, following Asia and Africa. The largest freshwater lake, Lake Superior, is located in this continent. The Missouri is one of the longest river located in North America. The United States of America, USA, is a part of North America. This image shows the New York, USA, Ottawa, Canada. Some countries in North America continent are Canada, Mexico, Nicaragua, Honduras, Cuba, Guatemala, Panama and Costa Rica. South America. South America is located mostly in the south hemisphere with a relatively small portion in the north hemisphere. The world's largest river is also the second longest is the Amazon River in South America. Brazil is a country in South America is one of the largest coffee producer in the world. The Andes is one of the longest mountain range in South America and is an example of fold mountain Aconcagua is the highest peak in the Andes. One of the highest volcanoes of the world, Mountain Cotopaxi, is found in this continent. This is the image of the Andes, and second image is Mountain Cotopaxi. Some countries in South America continent or Argentina, Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Paraguay, Peru, Uruguay and Venezuela. Friends, now let us see about Antarctica. Antarctica is the coldest continent on Earth. It is also called the White Continent or the Frozen Continent. Antarctica experience half a year of sunlight and half a year of complete darkness. Penguins are found in Antarctica. They are only permanent research station from different countries can be found there. This is the image of the penguins in Antarctica. Friends, now let us see about Europe. Europe and Asia are parts of the same major landmass. Europe is separated from Asia by the Ural Mountains and the Caspian Sea. The world's smallest country, the Vatican City, is in Europe. The Volga is one of the longest river in Europe. Vatican City in Italy. London in England. Some countries in European continent are France, Spain, United Kingdom, Germany, Norway, Austria, Greece, Spain, Portugal and Italy. Australia. Friends, now let us see about Australia. Australia is an island continent covered with unique landscape and natural wonders. The Great Barrier Reef, the pride and joy of Australia, is made up of nearly 2,500 individual reefs and visible from space. Australia includes the small islands of Tasmania and numerous small islands. This is the image of the Great Barrier Reef and kangaroo. Friends, now let us see the book exercise. First one, choose the correct answer. There are 7 continents in the world. Second one, the largest continent is Asia. Third one, Nile is the longest river in the world. Fourth one, Lake Superior is located in North America. Fifth one, penguins are found in Antarctica. Now let us see the match the following. Asia, biggest continent. Africa, Sahara Desert. Europe, Vatican City. North America, Amazon forest. Australia, kangaroo. Now let us see the true or false. First one, Asia is the third largest continent. False. Second one, India is one of the 7 wonders of the world. True. Third one, Brazil is one of the largest coffee producer in the world. True. Fourth one, the Great Barrier Reef is in India. False. Fifth one, Antarctica has half year of light. True. Friends, now let us see the answer the following. Name the continents. The 7 continents of the world are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Second one, where is the Taj Mahal is located? Taj Mahal is situated in Agra on the banks of river Yamuna. Taj Mahal is built completely using white marble stones. This most beautiful monument is recognized as one of the 7 wonders of the world. Third one, describe North America's important features. North America is entirely within the northern hemisphere. North America is the third largest continent by area, following Asia and Africa. The largest freshwater lake, Lake Superior, is located in this continent. The Missouri is one of the longest river located in North America. The United States of America is a part of North America. Where is the Great Barrier Reef located? It is located in Australia. The Great Barrier Reef, the pride and joy of Australia, is made up of nearly 2,500 individual reefs and invisible from space. Which continent is called the frozen continent? Antarctica is the coldest continent on Earth. It is also called the white continent or the frozen continent. Now let us see the brief question. First one, write a short note on any 2 continents. Here we describe the Europe and Asia, Antarctica. Second one, write a note on the monuments of India. Taj Mahal is one such monument. Give a detailed study of Australia. To download PDF file or PowerPoint presentation, please visit or browse to the blog. Please like my video and subscribe our channel. Thank you, friends.